guys, it's your girl DiamondReeise, and I'm back with another vid. Yeah!
Hey, Diamond, Reeise, hey bro, here's another one, and another one. Hey!
So, what's up, guys? I came back to tell y'all that I keep getting more requests for videos. So today we're going to be talking about hygiene. Now let's get right into this video. You ready? Get set, go! Today we're going to be talking about menstruals, aka periods, aka your monthly, aka woman's, what is it called? Mother's nature. So we're going to be talking about that today, guys, because I feel like video is going to help out a lot of ladies, a lot of girls, a lot of women is out there, and this video is for y'all, you feel me? So a period is monthly, not a day, not 2 days. It is monthly. You get it every month. When I say every month, I mean every month. Okay, you will get it every month. Yeah, I understand. This is your first period, but you will get this every month. You will bleed every month, and I'm here to actually help you how to make sure you have the right things at home, right?
So the pads that I use are Kotex. These are actually my favorite pads.
And these pads are actually heavy. These come in regular, heavy, overnight, and this one is, the last one is the heavy overnight. Okay, they also have brands where they have the tampons as well, but I like pads better. I don't know how to put in a tampon. I'll tell you about my experience. One day, I was in high school. I had my period and I didn't have no pads. Oh my gosh. And I asked one of the girls, did she have a pad? But nobody had pads. Everybody had tampons. So I ended up taking the tampon and I sticked it in just like this. I was walking around the school. I was like, it's hurting. What's going on? What's going on? I don't think I fitted it right. The whole time it was slipping out, but it lasted me until I got out of school. But I learned that that's not how you put the tampon in. You actually insert it inside you where it's comfortable. And what you do, you're gonna actually just push this up. You see this little thing that moves back and forth? You're gonna push it up and put it right inside of you. You see that right there? This is gonna release. You're gonna pull this part out, and this is gonna stay inside your vagina. And this little string is for when it's inside your vagina, it's going to, you could pull it out when you're done. And it's going to be all bloody and stuff. At the end, I'm going to show you how the tampon actually looks like when it gets water on it and then it fills up. And you're going to see it's going to get puffy and everything. But this is how the tampon will start expanding to look like. So here's the tampon. And this is how it looks like when it gets inside you. Basically, when all the blood gets inside of it, it just puffs up and it holds it. It drains. Well, there's a lot of water in here, but if you are super heavy like this water, you would just put a panty liner on for protection. You got the pads, and then you have the tampons. On my period, I actually get like 3 boxes of pads, or I'll just get one at that moment. But sometimes it's better for you to grab like 3 or 2 of them, so next month you don't have to run or look for any pads. So get some extra ones. These right here is 32. I just make sure I get the ones that has more. I don't really like the ones that's 16, but you can if you want to, but I recommend getting something bigger. This one got the 32. And for my extra heavy overnights, I get the 24 because they only come in 24. But the overnights, I actually wear them at nighttime, okay? Because I am heavy, so I wear those at night when I'm about to go to sleep. Now, they also have panty liners, so like, I guess when you're going off your period, I don't really use panty liners, but panty liners are good for like when you're getting off your period and you know there's like a little blood coming out. You could just put it in your panties, sit it right inside your panties, and you're good. Now, changing your pad. You have to make sure you change your pad, baby. When you're on your period, you could get like a little pocketbook, something to put inside your book bag when you go to school, or, you know, put extra in your pocket if you don't have a pocketbook or anything. But I definitely recommend just like probably getting a little fanny pack. A little fanny pack and put your pads in there. And the reason why I buy
Kotex.
people will never know that you're really on your period or what's in your pocket because they come in different kind of designs.
These are Tampax pearls.
They look just regular. You just put it in your pocket. And these are easy to actually open. They have like a little, I like how they have this. They have like a little tab right here so you can actually open it. So you don't have to struggle with opening it. You just open the seam just like that. Very easy. Tampons just in case I do run out of pads and I need tampons. I need something emergency. I do keep tampons on the side just in case. I do buy them just in case, like, just in case. It's a just in case thing. So I do have like one big box just sitting on the side in my bathroom, okay? Now I'm gonna teach you how to roll your tampon up the right way. A lot of people don't do it, but I'm gonna teach you, okay? Before you take out your tampon, right? You're gonna get the tissue, put enough in your hand. Just that enough. And what I do, you can take your tampon, put it right in there in the middle, and roll it up. And then I roll it up like this. And then I go like this for the side so nobody won't see the side. And I roll it to the side. Just like that. Like that. So now you can't even see that there's a tampon in there. But if you look close enough, you cannot see the tampon. And you can't see it from up here. You can't see it from right there. You can't see nothing. You can't even see the tampon at all. And you throw it right in the trash. Now, I'm going to teach you how to roll up a pad. It's the same thing with your tampon. After you take it off your panties, you rip it off. Right? What you're going to do is roll up your pad. Just like that off your panties. Roll it. Just like that. It's not nasty, just it came out of you, girl. It came out of you. So now what you're gonna do is take this paper towel, put it on there, just like that, and roll it, roll it, roll it. Okay? That's enough. It's thick enough. You're gonna turn it just like that. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it. Now, as you see, again, you don't see the pad at all. One more time. See? You can't see the pad at all. And then what you do? Throw it in the trash. So basically, that's how you wrap up your pad when you're done. Oh, let's talk about cramps, girl. Yes, it's gonna hurt. This first period gonna hurt. Or if this is not your first period, girl, sometimes it will hurt, sometimes it won't hurt. But I have some things that's gonna help you out with that. Some Advil to help you out with your cramps. Or you can get some Tylenol. That's going to help you out as well. Ibuprofen and Tylenol is good for you. I don't really like pills at all. I don't take pills for my cramps. What I do, I like to get a heating pad. Or I like to, if you don't have a heating pad at home, you can also do a DIY at home. Honey, yes, yes. You can make a heating pad at home. Okay? And I'm going to show you how to do that right now.
This DIY, all you need is a sock. It could be brand new or old, but make sure it doesn't have no holes in it. This one is a brand new sock. And make sure you have some rice. It could be any rice that you want to use. Just make sure you have some rice. Put the rice inside the sock like this. And what you're going to do is tie this into a knot. Just like that. Now, there's a lot of rice in here. It depends on how much rice you're gonna put in there, but you don't need that much. So what I'm gonna do is just scrunch it up. You see how big that is? You can put this on your tummy. You can put more in there and pull it all the way halfway to the top so you can tie it right there. But I only did a little bit, just like that. And then you put it right in the microwave. In the microwave. Put it right there. And what you're gonna do is just press like 30 seconds. Now you have a warm heating pad, but in a sock. Ooh, smoky.
Now, you're gonna make sure you change your pad or tampon before you go to bed. Take a shower, baby. Take a shower. Get all that blood off of you. Clean it well and everything. Get French panties and put your tampon inside of you. Get your pads, put it right inside between your legs. And make sure pads has wings on it. I like the ones with the wings. Those wings are gonna secure your pad. Definitely get the ones with the wings. I love the ones with the wings because they secure the pad in place. It's not gonna move. It's not gonna move if you get the ones with the wings. If you get the ones without the wings, girl, baby girl, I hope you just have a light period and it's only for like 1 period. I'll also show you the wings on the pad. So this is what the wings look like. You see that? That is what the wings look like. That's how the pad look like. These wings, you're going to secure them on your panties. Secure them. All you do is lay it on your panties. My hands is my panties. Lay it on your panties. And what you're going to do is just take that on the one side and tape the other one on the other side. Just like that. You can see how it sticks to my hand? It's going to stick to your panties, baby. Now, make sure you change your pad every chance you get. Go to the bathroom. Go check. You don't have to check it every 5 minutes, but, you know, learn yourself. Learn yourself. Oh, I get heavy after an hour. Let me change it. Hey, it's not going to get that heavy or it's going to be light. Just make sure you change your pad, okay? Change your pad. Change your pad before you go to sleep. After you take your shower, new pad, put a new tampon in. I definitely recommend overnight when you're about to go to sleep. It's better. So you can make sure that you're secure in every place. Go to sleep, wake back up. Change your pad when you wake up. Just make sure that it's clean. Also, you could get a calendar to actually count down your days so you can know every time you have a period. Okay? So you just scratch it off. Boop, 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 boop. Just scratch them off, okay? And that's how you keep up with your period. I definitely recommend it. Definitely get a calendar. Scratch it off. Or you could get for your phone and whatever. And they will actually tell you when your period comes. It will keep us schedules. You got this. That you have a period, you could get pregnant. Yes, girl. Now that you got your period, you could get pregnant. Having sex. Yes. Girl, you gotta be careful. Wrap it up. Wrap it up, girl. So yes, this is the end of my video. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up this video. You already know it's your girl DiamondReeise, and I'm out. And if you want more videos like this, definitely put it below in the comments or hit me up on any of my social media platforms. You already know what it is. It's your girl DiamondReeise, and I'm out.
Yeah, summertime. Girl, you